Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. I'm gonna show you two ways that you can remove someone from your best friend list. But however, with that being said, there is no separate option which is called removing people as your best friend. You wouldn't see that option anywhere on Snapchat. Similarly, you wouldn't also see an option of adding in people as your best friend. Snapchat automatically adds people as your best friend depending upon how much snaps you send to each other. So the best way of removing people or removing someone from your best friend list is to stop sending them snaps for a couple of days. Once you do that, automatically Snapchat will remove that person from your best friends list. So that's the easiest way of removing someone from the best friends list. The second thing you can also do is remove that person from your friend list. That way also that person will be removed from your best friend list. But the easier way is the first one, of course, that is to stop sending them snaps, and within a couple of days that person will be immediately removed from your best friend list. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.